Welcome to Kirkwood Library at Iowa City. I'm librarian Kate Hess, and my job is helping students figure out what information they need and how to find, evaluate, and use it. Librarians become expert web searchers through their graduate school work and job experience. I'm going to pass on to you some librarians' tricks for finding better, more reliable information online. The Kirkwood Libraries have a wide variety of books, reference books, and online magazines, journals, and newspapers that make useful resources for your research projects. These types of resources tend to be reliable because they've been selected by librarians. However, there are times when you want to search the web for information too. You're investing your time and your energy into research, and you want to base your ideas and arguments on accurate and dependable information. Your instructors expect the same. How do you know if the information you find online is reliable? This tutorial is a great introduction to helping you answer that question. Tip number 1, focus your search. Imagine you're working on a research project trying to answer the question, are there truly health benefits to eating chocolate? You found some background information in a library reference book and plan on searching library databases for journal articles, but first you want to see what free internet sites have to offer. You might type in, what are health benefits of eating chocolate to start out. To make this search better, remember that Google ignores common words or stop words, so a more efficient search might be health benefits chocolate. Focus on the most important words and forget about the rest. Tip number 2, have a search strategy. Take a moment to think about what kind of information you need to answer your question and where that information would come from. A commercial site that sells chocolate? A site from a hospital or some other medical institution? A blog or wiki site? Maybe you need statistics, background information, a variety of viewpoints, or research-based conclusions. Use those descriptive words in your search. Also think about what type of site might have the information you're looking for. For example, we might want U.S. government research or a college library that has a directory of reliable sites. That brings us to tip number 3, use Google's site search. The site limit lets you limit your search to a specific site or domain type. For example, adding site:/nih.gov to your search will narrow your results down to only pages on the National Institute of Health site. Adding site:/edu to your search will retrieve pages from colleges and universities. Or you could omit commercial sites by adding -site:/com. Play around with the site search to see which limit gets you the best results without having to sift through a lot of pages that are biased, unreliable, or simply for entertainment. Tip number 4, use library resources to your advantage. Often when browsing free sites, you'll come across a citation for an article that isn't shown in its entirety. In such a case, you can consult the library's article databases to see if we subscribe to the item you want. Simply copy and paste the title of the article into the search box. If the full text is available, you can get it right away. If you get only a citation, ordering the article through interlibrary loan is just one click away. Databases can be accessed from on or off campus. If it's a book you're looking for, search for the title on our library catalog. If we have the book, just make a note of the call number and get it off the shelf. If you attend classes at one of the centers, ask the center office to have the book sent to you there. You may find that just as you sometimes stumble upon great information by browsing through links on websites, browsing for books in the library shelves could yield the information you've been searching for. Tip number 5, use the library's interlibrary loan service. If we don't have the article, book, or film you need, we can easily order the item for you. This service is free to Kirkwood students, staff, and faculty. Simply go to the library website and fill out the online form. And one final tip, although Google is a powerful search engine, it can't tell you how reliable a website is. The library website and various style booklets have guides to help you evaluate information sources. This concludes the Advanced Web Searching tutorial. Go to the Kirkwood Library website to find resources or sites mentioned here, and be sure to ask a librarian if you have any questions about finding great resources for your research.